Hi, this is Vishwaraj from Mockat. NMAT 2024 registration notification has been released. The examination will be conducted from 5th of November to 28th December 2024. The registration for the examination has already begun on 1st of August 2024. The last day to register for the examination will be 10th October 2024. The NMAT by GMAT is a very different exam when compared to other MBA entrance exams like CAT, XAT and SNAP. Why it is different is because the exam is adaptive. Even if you are well prepared for this exam, you need to have a very different strategy which no one has actually talked about. So, Vignesh sir, who has got one of the top scores, 290 in NMAT, with all his experiences, has specifically talked about the right test taking strategy for this exam, for which we have posted the link in the description and in the end card. In that video, he has talked about a test taking strategy called alternating, which has helped him and many Mockat students as well. It's a must watch video before giving the NMAT exam. So do watch it if you haven't watched it yet. About the test fees for the exam, the test registration fee is 3000 plus taxes. For the retake, it's again 3000 plus taxes. For rescheduling the exam, it's 1200 plus taxes. Please note that the NMAT by GMAT exam registration and the school application process are two different steps. For more details regarding the colleges and cutoffs required, click on to mockat.com/blog/exam. About the exam details, the NMAT exam consists of three sections: language skills, quantitative skills and logical reasoning. The exam sections are individually timed and candidate must answer the questions in each section within the allotted time. Questions are delivered at one at a time and are randomly selected from a pool of questions. The number of questions, difficulty level and time limit for each of this section is predetermined and are the same regardless of when and where the test is administered. Candidates can choose the order sequence of the test section at the beginning of the exam itself. The ideal sequence we Mockat would suggest is verbal, LR, quant, because as most of you all are used to this sequence while preparing for CAT. But at the end of the day, you can take a couple of NMAT mocks and find out which works well for you. And the NMAT pattern is as follows. The language skills contains 36 questions with a time limit of 28 minutes. The quantitative skills have 36 questions with a time limit of 52 minutes. The logical reasoning has 36 questions again with a time limit of 40 minutes. In total, you write the examination for 108 questions within a time frame of 120 minutes. This is all about the exam details. To get a frequent update about MBA entrance exams, application details, preparation strategies, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you find this video useful, please leave a like button. Thank you and all the best.